Hi everyone, before we begin I just want to say thanks so much for all your lovely messages after we lost Tyson last week. They really have meant so much to all of us. I'm also battling a bit of a cold. I think it's just because I'm run down and all the stress, so excuse my croaky voice. If you enjoyed today's card, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to have a play with the over laminate. This is the crystal pack. We have used this in a couple of previous videos, but I thought we'd have a play again, mainly to get me back into crafting, because as you can imagine, I've really not been in the mood. So, get started. I've got a sheet of that, we've got that. Now, I've got out black card base, that is 5x5. And a matte layer. Now with this, before we go any further, all I want to do, oops, I'll write that down. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Right, all I want to do is come in and we're just going to emboss slightly. So whatever you feel like, just run down and put some few lines in. This saves you doing an embossing folder. It gives that extra dimension. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then you've got that, which is your embossing. Okay, that's to go on there when we've done the next bit. I'll put that to one side a sec. Now for this, I've got a piece of just plain black. And I want to put some of this on top of it. Now we're going to use the heart. So let's get our scissors. And we'll just cut a piece out. Oh, fingers and thumbs, we're not being in here. Just been a bit too raw. And then on top of that, Chucky had a seizure in the week as well, which made things even worse. Oh, it was no fun, I tell you. Excuse me. Okay, so I need to peel this off. And all we're going to do, oops, is place this just over the top of your black cardstock. Now I got this from an Australian company. I don't even know if they do it anymore. I got it years and years ago when I used to do my resin art, but I'm sure Amazon do it, so I will find you the link and I'll leave it below. Okay, so just give it a good burnish down. Excuse me, guys. Ooh. I'm just going to trim those sticky edgy bits off before it goes through my machine. Oh, it'll stick to my plates. Okay. Stuck everywhere. Right, I'm just going to quickly cut this out and I'll be back. Give me 2 secs, guys. Okay, that's those cut out. Sorry, guys, I forgot to say these hearts are from G&K Master Layouts 4. But just used whatever hearts you've got or whatever shapes you've got. You could use a star, square, rectangle, anything you wish. Right, so we've got those cut out, we've got that good to go. That's going in the inside, so you've got something to write on. I'll do that last. Now, I've cut out the outie for it as well, just to give it that something a little extra. Okay, so I'm going to stick that on there first. So just grab our glue. Let's put it into place. Okay, beautiful. Now we need this is going to be glued down flat. Make sure we're the right way around. Perfect. I'm just going to grab my double-sided tape. Okay, now what we want to do is put some double-sided. My backing's coming off this. Just behind your heart. So we've got that extra dimension. And this is a pretty easy and quick card today. So I can get my mojo back. Okay, so let's release our tape. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue, just so we've got that bit of wiggle room. I'm going to work out, I've got a sentiment already made, so I want to work out where I want it. So if we put that around there, get a good press down. I'm going to put our sentiment up on tape as well. I can't remember what video I've done with this, you know. I'm pretty sure it was a shaker card or vellum or something or other. If I remember, I'll have a look through and leave it in the comments. Okay, give that a push down and release your tape, and again some glue. Now let's get this into place. Make sure we've got it straight. Perfect. I'm just going to grab my blingies and we'll have a look. Definitely want black. And we've got these little ones here. I've got a feeling these are little gems off, you know, the pictures that you make with them. And I've saved them for some reason. Actually, I think they might look quite nice, you know. Let's have a look. Or do we go with sequins? What do you reckon? Quite like the little gems. Let's have a look. Let's grab my picker-upper. I think they're all the same size, aren't they? So I'm going to put... Oh, says as she drops it. On there. On there. I think we'll come down here with another one. I want 3. Let's put one around there. Sticky on my desk there. Okay, and then all that's left is to open it up, put a little bit of glue, and place your centre down so that you've got somewhere to do your scribble. No, it's moved. Doesn't matter, it dries clear anyway. And we're done. How quick was that? So there you go. You can't see it, and then you can see it. You see all the different colours? How pretty. Right guys, I'm going to get going because we're finished. And thank you again for all your lovely comments. It really has helped and it's meant the world. And I will be back very shortly with another video. Possibly not till sort of Wednesday, because like I said, little man's being brought home. His ashes are being brought home on Monday. So that'll be upsetting. But we'll get back to it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below. It really does help. Gets my channel out there a lot more. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.